Today, we'll be tying a nymph that's been used to win several fly fishing competitions. To tie it, you can grab a Coq de Leon feather, or I'm just using a black saddle hackle. Strip away a few feathers and secure them to the back of the fly. We want these to be about the same length as our hook shank, and snip the excess free. Next, we'll grab some pearl flashabou, secure it to the head of our fly, wrapping back towards the tail. Complete, we'll reverse our thread's direction and begin building up a body transition towards the head of the fly. Your finished product should look something like a carrot, and it will help hold our bead in place. Once complete, we'll start wrapping our flashabou forward in close touching spirals, doing so until we reach our thread. Secure with your thread and snip the excess free. Whip finish to hold everything in place. Snip your thread free and paint over the body section with some UV resin. This will add shine and durability to our pattern. Fix with a UV light and steal your wife's or your girlfriend's eyeshadow and mix it up with some thin UV resin. Add a small drop to cover the bead as well as the body section and hit it with a UV light. And this is the Gasolina, a highly productive fly pattern that is likely in every competition angler's fly box. And there's a reason for that, so I would highly suggest giving this one a shot. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.